perfectly warming up pre-cooked prime rib.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a culinary topic that is near and dear to many of our hearts: how to perfectly warm up pre-cooked prime rib. This sumptuous cut of beef is a true delight, but reheating it can be tricky. Our goal is to warm it through without drying it out, retaining that wonderful succulent texture and rich flavor. The key is gentle, slow warming and careful attention to avoid overcooking.
What you'll need.
To properly warm your pre-cooked prime rib, you will need 1. Your pre-cooked prime rib 2. An oven 3. An oven-safe dish or roasting pan 4. Aluminum foil 5. A meat thermometer.
The ideal temperature.
Setting the right temperature for your oven is crucial. It should be low enough to warm the prime rib without cooking it further. Preheat your oven to a gentle 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Celsius. This will allow the rib to heat gradually and avoid drying out.
Preparing the prime rib for warming.
Place your pre-cooked prime rib in the oven-safe dish or roasting pan. Add a little bit of beef broth or water, around 1/4 cup, to the bottom of the pan. This extra moisture will help keep the prime rib juicy during reheating. Next, cover the dish or roasting pan tightly with aluminum foil to lock in the moisture. Ensure that the foil is secured well around the edges to prevent any steam from escaping.
The warming process.
Once your oven has reached the correct temperature, place the covered prime rib in the oven. For a medium rare pre-cooked prime rib, reheat it for about 20 to 30 minutes for every pound of meat. However, every oven is different, so you should also use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. The prime rib is warmed up properly when it reaches an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius, for medium rare. Remember, it's essential to insert the meat thermometer into the thickest part of the rib, not touching any bones, as they conduct heat differently and may give you an inaccurate reading. There you have it, folks. The secret to perfectly warming up a pre-cooked prime rib is to do it slowly and at a low temperature to keep all the delicious juices locked in. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this guide helps you enjoy your sumptuous prime rib to the fullest. Happy eating!